In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit green screen, or chroma key, videos using the online tool Kapwing. Green screen effects can transform a basic video into a captivating scene by allowing you to replace your background with anything you like. Whether you're creating a virtual backdrop or adding some creative flair to your video, Kapwing makes the process straightforward and accessible to everyone. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions to get your project up and running. First, head over to Kapwing's website. If you haven't used Kapwing before, it's a user-friendly online platform perfect for all your video editing needs, including specialty effects like the green screen. Once you are on the website, look for the Media section, which will be your starting point for uploading your video clips. Clicking on Media will bring you to a page where you can easily manage the clips you want to work with. Next, you'll see an option that says Upload Media. Go ahead and click that. This will allow you to select your video files from your computer. Make sure you have your footage ready, particularly the clips that you recorded in front of a green screen. The uploading process is typically quick, but it does depend on your internet speed and the file size. Once your media is uploaded, the next step is to navigate to the filters and effects. Click on Effect to open up a variety of options that Kapwing offers to enhance your video. In this instance, we're focusing on the chroma key function, which is going to help us isolate and remove the green background from your footage. Look for and click on Chroma Key in the Effects menu. Selecting the chroma key will prompt you to specify the color you wish to remove from your video. Typically, this will be green, so using the eyedropper tool, click on the green area in your video. This action tells Kapwing to identify and eliminate that specific shade, creating a transparent effect. After indicating the color, it's time to apply the effect by clicking on Remove Background. Kapwing's tools will do the heavy lifting, and within moments, your video's background should start to disappear, leaving only the subjects in focus. That's it. With your green screen successfully edited out, you can now replace your background with images, videos, or whatever creative elements you'd like to incorporate. And just like that, you've turned your initial footage into a polished and dynamic video ready to share. Kapwing's processes might take a little experimentation, especially if it's your first time using chroma key, but with a bit of practice, you'll be an editing pro in no time.